Hello there, math fans. Let's continue doing volumes in Math 126 using double integrals. Here's yet another question that asks this sort of thing. Find your z's, step one. So we have z equals plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 4x squared minus 4y squared. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, give myself some more space. So we have it. We need to do the double integral of this. Notice I wasn't confused by any of the parts of the question. The fact that it says inside, outside, I'll deal with that in a second. I'm just setting up my integrand. That's the only thing that gives me an output or a height in the entire problem. Step two, I draw my region. So here we go, we're at this again. Are there any given x, y bounds? Yes, there are. X squared plus y squared is 4, so that's radius 2. This time it says it's inside here. Ooh, so now I think I might be done. Maybe that's enough. But you could try to figure out where the surfaces intersect, meaning when does this hit the ground? And it hits the ground, I think if you simplify that, you're going to get a circle of radius 4, but that's outside the region. So that doesn't matter here because it's inside. If you're having trouble, like I said, I do that all automatically. Notice I had to see the word inside. So what's going on? The plus or minus is this. This is the upper ellipsoid. This is the lower ellipsoid. So it's this funny little egg-shaped thing. I guess not quite an egg. We found when they intersected, and we got this circle on the ground. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, it's 0. There's that circle on the ground. So now I'm going to find the volume between that circle and the surface. How do I know it was the inside? Because it told me. So that's it. Like, I don't even have to think anymore. I'm just going to start setting it up. So I'm going to say the integral. I'm going to use polar. It's going to be all the way around. So 0 to 2 pi. The integral from 0 to 2. And then I'm going to do the square root of 64. Now, x squared plus y squared is r squared. So we can just write this. r d theta. And then we'll compute and we'll interpret. So what we'll be computing right now, since I did the positive, is above this. So actually what I've done is we have this cylinder and we have this. So when I go to do this, I'm only going to be finding the volume above because I didn't deal with the minus, but you can see it's just going to be times 2 and it's this funny little roller thing. So I will have to multiply times 2. Why? Because the double integral only computes what's above the axis, and the question did not say above the axis, so we're done. This times 2 will be our answer. So there's yet another one. Hope this is coming together.